In this video, I'll show you how to copy effects on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to copy the effects to. And in my case, I have this project and I have these two clips. Let's assume that this is the file, or this is the clip that has the effects that we want to copy to this clip. We're going to click on the clip that has the effect and we're going to press Command C. And then once we copy that, we're going to come to the clip that we want to paste the effect on, and we're going to press Command Shift and V. We're going to get the paste attributes, this dialog box that shows the paste attributes, and here we can choose the video attributes to paste, or the audio attributes, and whichever attributes, and we're going to copy from paste to, and we're going to click on paste. And just like that, the effects from this clip should be pasted onto this clip. Or we can just go to this clip. Instead of pressing the short command, we can go to the clip. We'll go to edit. We click on copy, which is the Command C. We click on copy. Then we come to the clip that we want to paste it to. We go back to edit. Then we come to paste attributes, which is a Shift, Command, and V. And you see the dialog box open again, and you can choose to do the same edit. And that's how to copy effects on Final Cut Pro. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.